What we have here probably about, I would say 1955, IBM 11C, model 11C. It have a model number underneath the machine, and I checked the serial number. Check the serial number right here, and it said from 1955. But that's not, maybe, I don't know, that's a fact, or, but I would say that's about right. This machine, many things doesn't work. Okay. The striking power of the slug, like this one, okay, 3 and 4 is okay, but then like some others, the Q is okay, but too sensitive. Keep going. Let's see. You see A. A is super bad. E, same thing. E, too sensitive. I would say all this problem, like F. Look at F. F is so good. F is super perfect. But then comes G. Oh, what happened, G? Yeah. You can hear the sound of the slug that hit the button. It's quite less. You can feel it have less power. Okay? Different sound. And H, forget about H. And I would say it hit the button, but not enough power. J is the worst here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Barely moved. And button not even, I mean the carrier is not even want to respond. Well, at least the carrier return still works. Well, and of course, spacebar does not work. No, sir. The shift still works fine. X is good. X is perfect. Super. I would say all this. See, I'm not a mechanical kind of guy by trade, but I would say all this problem, like too high the power, striking power, and too low of striking power, that doesn't make doesn't hit the ink enough to make a imprint on a paper. Always come from the, have to be at the roller here, the power roller underneath the machine need to be adjusted. That thing right there. Which is this is a complex stuff. I probably need about 3 to 4 hours at least to trying to figure it out. What the heck is going on here? Of course, all the IBM repairman, the pre-electric, they're probably, most of them are dead already. So they just bring the expertise to the grave with them. And it's up to us, the later generation, have to trying to figure it out how to make this thing works again. This is probably the called executive model. You have that extra ribbon. I'm trying to find out what that is for. Okay. And I look in eBay, and they have bunch of advertising on this from the 50s. Come in all kind of color, with gray being the most popular, I guess. 50s style, But the platinum rubber is still not that hard. It's hard, but it's not that hard. I've seen worse. And at least the ribbon spool still moving and automatically change direction when it run out of ribbon. So that's a good thing. Return carriage still work. Yeah, should still work okay, I guess. Well, just need tingle with. Give me about 4 hours. I'll be able to fix it. But who had that kind of time nowadays? So I guess have to do by little. See, this is color control, which is adjust the level of a ribbon. All the way down is a stencil, which is mean the ribbon doesn't move. Up one step, and move out a little bit. One more. How many steps we got? So stencil. 1, 2, 3 step. Use to use the ink on the ribbon completely. I have to waste it. And, let's see, what is this? This is probably the sensitivity. Let's see how is it. Oh, here it is. We got a level there. This is the sensitivity. I don't know, maybe this thing have something to do with how the machine doesn't work. I put like a 0 all the way to 10. So let's say a 10, how it feels, let's see. Oh, no, too no good. Okay, number 5. I don't know. Let's put on number 0. Okay, so it less power, as you can see it. Look at that. 0 kind of fainted. And then I put on number 10. Very light. Okay, now. Okay. So I'm gonna put on number 10. See? There's a malfunction on A here. Even though it's on number 10, doesn't do anything. Here, 2 3 works. 3 works. Great machine, built like a tank. I would say it's very willing to work, but being so many years, all the gum and all that, it needs some adjustment for sure, because it's very sensitive to that roller, the main roller down there, the power roller. So I think that's the culprit. I'm not sure, but I think that's what it is. That's how control all this. And of course, all the little tiny bit thing inside. Alright, so just want to show you this IBM 11C from 1955. I can feel the coloring run through my hair, and it have no ground. And when you touch it, barely touch it, you can feel like the current running through your finger. And that's typical with the 50s and 60s appliance. You can have a fan that does the same thing. It doesn't have ground. Good thing I wear shoes. You don't want to be barefoot when you touch this old machine with no ground. Yeah, you can get electrocuted. Alright, thank you very much.